I'm here with one of your first looks at the Sony Bravia 9 Mini LED TV that's brand new for 2024. Let's go check it out. Obviously, this is what you're gonna see if you get this TV in your home, but Sony peeled back some of the filters for us to see what the backlight is really doing behind the screen and what those major improvements are for this year. In some ways, Sony's previous gen Mini LED TVs didn't seem to have the same finesse as some of the brand's other TVs. It didn't give Samsung's Neo QLED branded Mini LED TV a real run for its money, but the Bravia 9 looks to shake things up. That's all thanks to a new backlight driver developed by Sony's microprocessor division that the company says is the world's smallest Mini LED driver to date. By decreasing the size of the Mini LEDs, Sony can increase the number of LEDs and number of local dimming zones, resulting in 320% more zones than the previous gen X95L. We're looking at a beautiful static screen here, but I did get to check out some demo footage, and in that footage, I think the biggest impact was the spectrum of brightness. So you get those bright spots and those dark spots, and in those, because of the control over the driver, you can see a bit more definition. I would say it has an especially visible impact in bright spots of the scene. They just look a little bit punchier without causing so much blooming. The biggest thing you need to know about the Bravia 9 is that Sony is saying it's its brightest 4K TV yet. We'll have to do our own testing to see if that's true, but Sony says that the TV is up to 50% brighter than the previous gen version and that there are 3 times the number of local dimming zones. So we got some clever cable management going on back here. The HDMI inputs are back here, but Sony has created this removable panel that conceals them. That way the cords are feeding down here. It just makes for a much cleaner look at the back of the TV. That would be especially nice if, say, you have your TV set up somewhere where you might have a little bit of space behind it, or simply if you're wall mounting it and just need the cords to feed to a convenient location. Otherwise, in the sound department, the Bravia 9 has features like 3D surround upscaling, as well as acoustic center sync with a compatible Sony soundbar and Voice Zoom 3. Whoa, okay, we're changing to a nighttime scene here, and the reason that's possible is because we're on Sony's PXO Stage. That's basically made of the company's CLED screens. It's a custom creation that's made for movie sets. It's supposed to set up actors in 3D environments. It's been used for projects like Game of Thrones, Star Trek, but now in this space, we're just getting to see what our TV might look like at home. Now imagine if you can go to the store with a picture of your living room and actually have them put this up this way so you can see what your TV and entertainment setup would look like. I don't know, idea right there. A lot remains to be seen with the Sony Bravia 9, but we'll find out more once we get it in our lab. Let me know if you think this looks like it'll be one of the most exciting TVs of the year in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, you can see what we're doing on social everywhere at Tom's Guide, and as always, I'm at Kate Kozich. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.